NBS90 drive O-ring belt replacement. Listed are the tools required. Safety. Always lock out the power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Remove the plexiglass window to turn off the air in the NBS drive take-up unit. Locate the valve and move the lever to the off position. Turn off the air to the take-up transfer unit. Loosen the clamping plates and turn them out of position. Remove the M5 hex bolt and connector between the bearing rail joints. Lift and remove the bearing rails. Note, the bearing rails must be reinstalled in the same orientation and position. Remove the rollers. Note, some of this video is shown without the belts for clarity only. Loosen and remove the access panels on both sides of the transfer. Loosen and remove the stamping brackets holding the line shaft units. Using the access panels, remove the O-rings on the line shafts on each side. Install the new O-rings. Make sure the O-rings are in proper location on each line shaft unit. Make sure the line shaft units are square. The bearing sleeve set screw is positioned downwards. The belt and O-rings are in proper location before reinstalling the hardware. Reinstall the rollers. Twist both drive O-ring belts clockwise. Make sure the O-rings are wrapped around the spool underneath. Reinstall the bearing rails. Note, make sure the bearing rails are reinstalled in the same orientation and position as they were removed. Reinstall the M5 hex bolt and connector between the bearing rail joints. Installation of the connecting spacers requires an alignment tool. Place the top of the rail alignment tool between the guide covering bearings at the joint. Do not over-tighten alignment tool clamp plates on the rails, as this may crush and permanently damage the rails. Reinstall the connecting spacers. Turn the clamping plates into position and tighten. Remove the alignment tools. Make sure all the belts are installed on top of the bearing rails. Reinstall the access panels on both sides of the transfer unit. Turn on the air in the NBS drive take-up unit and attach the plexiglass window. Turn on the air to the take-up transfer unit. For more FORTNA maintenance videos, visit FORTNA-Conveyor.com.